This is one of the most frequently asked questions that project managers ask themselves today. What's the best method to manage my projects? Waterfall, Agile, or hybrid? Let me give you some tips that will help you choosing your project management strategy. First, what defines your strategy is the degree of knowledge of what your project will deliver. If you know in detail all the features and characteristics of your scope, there's a chance that your project will be executed in a traditional way. Second, if the scope of your project has a high probability of changing, don't hesitate, adopt the Agile method. Now, if you have a project with a high probability of evolution, but you still need to maintain some control and monitoring your activities, if your team is not yet fully adapted to the Agile culture, and if your client expects delivery to be fast, then hybrid management is a good recommendation for managing your project.